The consistency code. Why your brand needs to feel like it's everywhere, even when it's not. Ever stumble across a brand online and think, wait, haven't I seen this before? Same colors, same vibe, same tone. You can spot them from a mile away, and that is branding magic. This episode is called The Consistency Code because, let's be honest, if your brand doesn't feel the same everywhere, it ends up forgotten everywhere. Welcome to Mon AI, where today we're unlocking the power of seamless brand experiences, aka how to be instantly recognizable even when your logo's not in the room. Let's roll. Let's kick off with this stat. 95% of purchasing decisions are subconscious. That means people aren't always thinking, they're feeling. So when your brand feels familiar, guess what? Trust gets triggered, loyalty builds, and your sales? They start singing. Here's how to make that happen across every touch point. First up, what is a brand experience, really? It's not just your logo, your tagline, or your website. It's the entire journey someone has with your brand, from that first Instagram reel to the final "thank you for your order" email. If one of those touch points feels off, trust gets shaky. And when trust breaks, so does loyalty. So how do you stay consistent without sounding robotic? Start with mapping your customer journey. Where do they first meet you? Social media, podcast, your homepage? Then what happens next? Your tone, your visuals, your customer service, all of it should scream, "Yep, this is us," every step of the way. If you're playful on Instagram but boring in your emails, it's like showing up to a party in pajamas when everyone remembers you in a tux. Pro tip: create a brand style guide. And no, this isn't just for big companies. It's for anyone who wants to be remembered. What goes in it? Logo usage, color palette, pick 3-5 and stick to them like glue, fonts and typography, visual imagery and iconography, brand tone and language. Are you fun, bold, zen, scholarly? When every team member, or just you as a solopreneur, follows the same guide, every email, post, and product feels like it belongs to one big, cohesive story. And stories equals trust. Let's talk brand tone. If you're casual and friendly on social, don't suddenly become a stiff robot in your email funnel. Consistency doesn't mean monotony. It means every platform feels like a remix of the same song. Apple nails this. So does Starbucks. Even Canva keeps the same vibe across their homepage, blog, and Instagram. When customers land on your site after seeing your ad or reel, the experience should feel like a continuation, not a plot twist. And over hard, the momentive "now let's get internal." What good is a brand identity if your team doesn't live it? Zappos isn't just known for great customer service because of scripts. It's because their internal culture breeds their brand. From training to tone to how employees treat each other, it's all connected. If your brand is bold and empowering, your team should radiate that energy in every interaction. If you're high-end and luxe, your internal language, onboarding, and emails should match that polish. Remember, happy, aligned employees create authentic customer experiences. Here's a quick checklist to make your brand consistent and unforgettable. Define your brand's personality traits. Build a style guide and actually use it. Audit every touch point: social, email, support, website. Train your team on tone, visuals, and values. Update regularly based on customer feedback. Celebrate wins when your brand feels aligned. Still not sure if it's working? Ask your audience. Run a poll. When you think of our brand, what comes to mind? If their answers match your intention, you're nailing it. If not, tweak, realign, try again. Consistency isn't rigidity, it's clarity. You can evolve, experiment, and expand, as long as your core story stays steady. Because the most unforgettable brands aren't the loudest, they're the most aligned. They make every interaction feel familiar. They build trust without trying too hard. They don't need to reintroduce themselves, they've already made an impression. So the next time someone scrolls past your content or opens your email, don't just aim for recognition, aim for resonance. Want help building a rock-solid brand style guide? Visit playspace.net for templates, swipe files, and resources to bring your brand into harmony across every touchpoint. Like this episode? Tap that heart. Share it with someone whose brand is almost there. And don't forget to subscribe to MoneAI for weekly insights that make your brand not just better, but unforgettable. See you in the next one. Until then, stay consistent, stay iconic.